Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's discussion in relation to financial services entities and their use of cloud services. My name is Kit Burden. I'm a partner in the Technology and Sourcing Group at DLA Piper, and I've been advising financial services customers in relation to the cloud for many years now, and I hope to share some of those insights with you today. So in terms of setting the scene, there was historically some reticence by financial services entities to embrace cloud services owing to concerns as to robustness of the platforms and the security of data that might be entrusted to those providers. But I think we can safely say that those days are long since gone. In fact, there's a realization that some of the banks and insurers' legacy systems, which were often heavily bespoke and often not always up to date in terms of patches and the like, were actually less secure than many of those of the major SaaS and infrastructure as a service providers. So where we've now moved into is a realization that most, if not all, financial services entities are now, in actual fact, quite reliant upon cloud services. And in fact, throughout the supply chain, we see a very heavy incidence of the hyperscalers in particular. So AWS, Google, and Microsoft, either as initial providers to the financial services entities or as a major player somewhere in the supply chain. Now, the key question, as we'll see from a regulatory perspective for financial services, is whether those types of services fall into the ambit of outsourcing on the basis that kickstarts a whole additional level of regulatory requirement. But we'll come on to that later on during the course of today's discussion.